guys, what's up? So it is that time of the month again. We will be unboxing the Ipsy Boxycharm for the month of July. So if you'd like to see what's inside this month's box, then just stay tuned. A little disclaimer that Ipsy did send me this box to try. All right, so this month's box looks a little something like this. It's super cute. Comes in this brand new little like colorful box. So cute. And here is the card. It says, "We are planning the great escape. Pack your makeup bags because this month we've got a one-way ticket to dewy skin, glossy hair, and so much color. Whether you're planning a summer vacation or a much-needed mental escape." And then inside our Good Vibes Landing, a great self-care routine is like a vacay. So prioritize what makes you feel amazing this summer. And it's got some little tips on how to kind of relax and have good vibes. All right, so the first product in this month's Ipsy Boxycharm box is the Vite C Brightening Cleanser by Thebriabeauty. This is going to brighten and renew the skin and kind of give everything a wake-up call. Next in the box, we have the Verb Ghost Exfoliating Scalp Nectar, and this is going to clarify, refresh, and balance the scalp. So healthy hair starts with the scalp. If you have a healthy scalp, then you're going to have gorgeous flowing locks. This is a nectar-like serum that is good for all scalp types. It's formulated with moringa oil to fight frizz. It's also got biotin in it. There are also AHAs and PHAs that are going to really get rid of that dry, dead skin or buildup of any kind. And it's gonna leave you with a clean, refreshed scalp. Next in the box, we have the Wing Me Clear Brow Gel, and loving the packaging on this, just super simple, but yet cute. It is just a clear brow gel, and it's really going to hold those brows into place. Next, we have the Lucky Chick Lip and Cheek Multi-Stick, and this is in the shade Lucky Days. This is super pretty, you guys. Let's roll it up, and it's kind of marbled. So pretty, and I do have this on my cheeks and lips today. And then last but not least, in this month's Ipsy Boxycharm box, we have the Fez palette by Natasha Denona. And sadly, you guys, I got a shade that was broken, completely shattered. I tried to pack it down as best as I could, but this palette is gorgeous nonetheless. And all of the shades are super buttery. Ah, so gorgeous. Well, that is it, you guys, for this month's Ipsy Boxycharm box. Let me know down in the comments below what product was your favorite or which one you hope to get. I just want to say a big thank you to Ipsy and Boxycharm for sending me yet another box to try, and thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to live life in color. Please like the video if you like this, subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll be back with another video very soon. Bye, you guys.